I'm happy on my own, making coffee just for one, and eating breakfast all alone. Fewer dishes to be done. Good things come to those who wait, that's what they say. But I've been waiting far too long for some good to come my way. It's always one step forward, two steps back, but I won't let it get me down. 'Cause I'm still here and I know this year some good's gonna come around. Somewhere the sun is shining, somewhere the day is new. There's a place where flowers bloom, where every bird is singing their tune. And someday, oh someday, I'll be there too. Good things come to those who wait, and I don't mean to sound cliche, but I'll keep waiting as long as I need for some good to come my way. There's a place where skies are blue, where every hope and every dream comes true. And someday, oh, I'll be there too. And good things come to those who wait, while I'd like for it to be today. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes for some good to come my way. For some good to come my way. Oh, some good's gonna come my way.